I'm Ham, and this is what a Zoom Room UI looks like on multicam. We are here as promised to kind of show you how multicam works. I'm here with my friend Ethan. He is the admin inside my office here. He's going to pull up the virtual controller that's redundant to the controller in the room to make it a little easier just to have high resolution look at what that UI looks like when we do have multi-camera mode on. So what you can see in gallery mode right now is that we have two cameras in this room. They're Logitech Rally cameras. We've got a table view up front with one, and then on the other side of the room at the ceiling, we've got one in the back. So that's the way these are laid out. In your case, those cameras can be in any zone in any way. Ethan will pull up the virtual controller here to show you from the portal what that looks like on the controller to enable and control that.
So let me get my screen shared into the room so I can show you what this looks like from the admin side. Okay, so to control the room from our online controller, all you're going to do is you're going to go to your room management, Zoom Rooms, and then you're going to find the room that you want to control. In this case, we're in our Riva Ridge conference room. You're going to go over to the ellipsis on the side, and then you're just going to launch the controller. It'll open a new web page, and this will be identical to the controller view that you get from the in-room. In this case, it's an iPad, but the same thing will work if it's an e-pad, whatever you're using for your controller. So from here, we can switch our camera views, select either of those.
If you mind just going to switch camera real quick, and if you were to untoggle on the multi-camera mode, and just kind of show, that's going to take us down to whatever camera selected. So right now you should be seeing us through the ceiling camera. And so the front one is going to kind of disappear on us. But now if we go back to switch camera and hit that toggle again, it's going to bring both of those cameras up in their home position. So there we are, kind of in these home positions. And that's basically what you do, and you can have that set out of the box for when this room joins. So if you did have three cameras, it would be the same thing. Now, if we did want to kind of go and set a new preset or control any of those cameras, we go into camera control right here. And at the top, you see the drop down in blue that says Ceiling Logi Rally Camera. That's why we can switch between the cameras. As you can see with the ceiling camera, you have the full PTZ controls here, but next to the bottom, we have a banner that has three buttons: wide, full table, and controller. And next to wide, we have a little house symbol. That's gonna be the default home position for this camera as it comes up in the room. For you, if that's where you wanted it to be, that's great. Really easy to save that position, rename it, whatever works for you. It's just long pressing, as Ethan's doing here, to get that up and running. For your use with three cameras, you would have those three presets available on a certified camera for all three of those cameras. You toggle through them at the top, and you of course have those different modes: manual, auto framing, and multi-stream, if you prefer to do that and not have any home position and have it be a little more flexible using the smart gallery features from the software itself. Awesome. So that is multi-camera in a nutshell. I hope this helps you. And thanks very much for taking a look at Zoom Room. And Ethan, thanks for helping me out.
No problem.